Hey guys, Danilo from Bambi Baby. Today we're going to be installing a Pipa Lite infant car seat in a brand new Honda CRV. What's interesting with these new Honda CRVs is I believe they have triple rear latch points. I'll point them out shortly. So here we are in the inside of a Honda CRV. You notice you have two latches on that side. You can use a combination of these two in the middle or these two on the ends. Now these buttons here point out where the latches go, but they kind of work underneath here, and you can feel the latch mounting point. You see there? Let me get close enough. That's where it would go. All right, we will do the install now. Hey guys, here we are installing the Pipa Lite car seat in the Honda CRV. First thing you want to do is pop out the rebound bar so we can adjust it on the floor. Let's point out here, these are the alignment points. You can see where the metal brackets are. Pretty simple. The Isofix base will connect right now. So just clear out the fabric on both sides. Once you clear the fabric out, you can find the latch there. Yep. New car, new fabric. So one thing you notice here, get close up in here, you notice when I release it, it's red. When I push it in, it turns green. That means it's in the right place, in the right angle. Now what we want to point out is that this bubble needs to be touching that line, which clearly it's not right now. So I'm going to back this out, pull it out, add the extension on the bottom of this, which pops out of the bottom here, and now I could line it up again to do the install. And just gotta line it up, get it in place. It's green. Line it up. It's green. Perfect. Touching, in place. All set.